This is what we usually get when we order beeswax online. But well, I'm starting with this. So how does beeswax go from a hive to a candle? Well, let's find out. I went online to research how to refine the beeswax. A few people said to use cheesecloth and then boil it in water. However, I think the cheesecloth just got in the way and actually absorbed some of the wax, so I would recommend just boiling it straight in the water. While the beeswax was boiling, I made a filtration system just by stretching some tights across the tub. Once it had been boiling for a while, I just took the cheesecloth out, put it in a separate jug, and then filtered what was left in the saucepan through the tights. This was the liquid left behind. Theoretically, the beeswax should float to the top and then solidify. After they cooled a little bit, I put them in the fridge just to help it speed up. I then removed the puck of beeswax from each jug and started the second part of the refining. For the second part of the refining, I took all the pucks of beeswax and melted them down again in the double boiler. The melted wax then went through a second filter made of tights. You can repeat the melting and filtering as many times as you want to try and get a purer result. After melting the wax again, it was finally time to make some candles. I prepared a few wicks for the candles and then also had my loaf mould and some bar moulds, just so that I could put the rest of the beeswax away for easy storage. I had an interesting idea for decorating these candles, so I got out my heat gun and attached some of the honeycomb that started this all. I just thought it was cool to have the original product and the finished product all in one place.